Welcome to the International Solar Alliance. We are a global organization based here in Delhi, in India. Our goal is to enable solarization of the world, to bring up solar in the priority of all political decisions in every country of the world. How do we do it? Well, first of all, we have 75 member states, and that number increases every day. Every country which is a member of the UN is eligible to be a member of the Solar Alliance. And as we work on solarization, we realize that it brings a bundle of benefits. For example, energy access is best enabled through solar, no matter how remote it is. Solar can provide the energy services, the modern energy services that people need. It also brings in electricity at competitive prices. It's a cleaner air and water. There's energy security, and there is climate mitigation and green economic recovery. These are all issues which are important to our member states. And this is the reason why they place solar at a higher priority than they did earlier. As we work together, we want to help them in enhancing their policies and programs. We produce, therefore, first of all, an annual update of what has happened in the solar area, in technology, in investments, in markets, so that when they develop a program, it reflects what is happening in the world, it reflects their state of knowledge. Second, we build up capacity, especially in developing countries, so that not only in the design and installation of solar projects, but also in the regulatory processes, in the banking processes, in the policy processes, changes occur which are far-reaching and long-lasting. And third, in some countries, particularly in least developed countries and in the small island developing countries, we carry out pilot projects which create the demand, which people can see, which help in bringing out the changes in policies and processes, so that then there is a second project, a third project, and a 100th project. Together, these enable the change that we want. We are, of course, an international organization, and a lot of cultures are represented here. We respect those cultures, and our culture builds on the strength of each of those. We would like you to bring your culture with you. We would like us to look at each other with dignity. Equity and access is important to us. We look to work with professionalization. As we move ahead, as you come to us, we also wish that we bring in the changes that the world needs to see. We are based here in India, one of the oldest countries in the world, one of the fastest growing. We would like you to enjoy the cuisine here. We would like you to enjoy the tourism, the sights, the adventure sports, the conflation of the old and the new. To each one of you, with a passion for solar energy, with ideas for making a change, with ideas that can be converted into practice, we are waiting for you. Together, we will rewrite history.